Welcome back, y'all. I'm Jacinda, and it is a bright, beautiful morning. We need to get started on the lemon filling for our Easter cake so that it's nice and cool when we get ready to put it all together this afternoon. Now, the most important thing we're going to need this morning is our coffee. Let me get a taste. I gotta have my coffee, y'all. All right, now let's get started. Here's a list of things that you're going to need. 1 cup sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 egg yolks plus 1 whole egg, 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. I usually get a cup by juicing about 5 large lemons. These lemons are massive, y'all. Half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of butter. First, we need to create our lemon zest. I use a simple cheese grater. I'll take a clean lemon and run it over the grate. That gives me lemon zest. You want to stop before you go too deep into the peel. That part's way too bitter for our cake filling. Now that all my lemons are zested, I'll massage each one on the counter. This makes it a lot easier for me to juice them. The next thing we want to do is infuse our sugar. We'll pour our sugar into a small bowl, and then we'll add the zest. Now with clean hands, we'll massage the zest into the sugar. This releases all the oils and gives us an amazing fresh taste. You want to do this until all of your sugar looks and feels like wet sand. Add the cornstarch to your sugar and gently whisk those together. After everything is nice and combined, we'll add it to our saucepan. Now let's gently whisk our little eggs together. And pour them into our sugar mixture. I'll mix this up until a nice little paste forms. Then I'll gently add my lemon juice and water. I see a little lemon seed floating, so we'll grab him and we'll mix again. I reduce everything down on medium heat, whisking constantly until my mixture is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. I'll grab my butter and mix that into my custard. I have a fine mesh strainer and a glass bowl ready to go. I pour my custard into the strainer. I'll very lightly run a spoon through this mixture just to help it get all through the strainer. You want to collect all that lemon zest, possibly some egg that cooked the wrong way, or even a tiny little lemon seed that I actually see right now. Once everything's in the bowl, I'll take a piece of saran wrap and cover the entire bowl, making sure to press down until my saran wrap touches the custard. This is going to prevent a fine film from forming on the top. Now it's time to store our custard in the fridge until it cools and we're ready to use it. And that's it. Now it's time to relax and eat every single bit out of this pot.